Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I'm the owner of the Element Bath & Body here in Dallas. How would you like to learn how to make your own beard butter? Well, if you don't have a beard, like I don't worry about it. I'm sure you know someone who has a beard. Since that's the trend right now, beard products are amazingly popular. But as anyone with a beard, or as anyone who has had to shop for someone with a beard knows, the prices for the products can get pretty outrageous. You look online at beard butters or beard balms and you're looking at about $12 to $30 for a very small amount of product, typically between 3 and 4 ounces. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own beard butter at home and for a fraction of the cost, pennies on the dollar, versus the stuff that you're going to order online. So before we get started though, I want to explain the difference between a beard butter and a beard balm or a beard wax. So as you would think with beard wax or beard balm, they have a higher percentage of waxes and they give a much firmer hold and can be used for light sculpting and things. And they're typically for gentlemen who have much longer beards, or they want to be able to mold and style their beard a little bit differently. And then beard butters are much softer, more pliable, they're easier to get out of the container, they contain much less wax. And the consensus with my customers at least has been that they prefer the butters over the balms because of the ease of use, and because again most of my customers have very short to medium length beards. They don't need to do lots of styling or sculpting, they just want the conditioning and shine effect of the butters. So when I bring you back, I'm going to show you the ingredients we're going to be using today. The recipe will be linked in the description box. Feel free to use it, make it, and tell me how it worked for you. You ready to get started? Let's go. I start out by adding my beeswax. This is a small batch, so we're only going to need about 1.3 ounces. Next is the cocoa butter. It also has a fairly high melt temperature. And it comes in blocks, and I just chip off as much as I need. Mango butter, and finally shea butter. Place it on a double boiler or makeshift double boiler and let the waxes and butters melt gently over medium-low heat. While the butters and waxes are melting, we're going to go ahead and get our soft oils together in a container that has a spout, which makes for easy pouring when it's time to put the beard butter in our tins. So the only oils that we'll need in here will be the coconut oil and whatever carrier oil you're going to use. I prefer light oils that absorb into the skin more easily. It was over 100 degrees in Texas today, so that helped me with my coconut oil. I don't have to scoop, I can just pour. My carrier oil today is sunflower oil. Let's check on our butters and wax. Alright, our butters and wax are melting very well. We're going to give them a gentle stir. And we'll bring you back once everything is melted and is ready to mix. Now that our butters and wax are completely melted, we can add them to the liquid oils. I've already added the fragrance oil. Now we'll pour the melted butters and wax into this container. I've already lined my baking sheet with freezer paper so that in case there are any spills, I won't have to worry about scraping wax off of the baking sheet. And you're just going to go ahead and fill. These are 6-ounce tins, and I usually fill right to this inside ridge. You just want to slowly pour, trying not to waste. Put these in the fridge and leave them there until they're set, which only takes maybe an hour or two. Here are the cooled beard butters, and sometimes you'll get a crack in them when they cool, which is very normal. And they're ready to package and give as gifts.